Hi there YouTube, Vampire Gaming back here again, and I've got a special tutorial for you guys. Now, as promised, I would show you how to flash an Xbox 360. This will be for the benq drives. I don't have a Hitachi, Samsung or light on, so yeah, as you can see, I've got an Xbox there, PS2 and that, and my flashed Xbox. And so what you're going to need for this tutorial is you're going to need Jungle Flasher with the benq Light Touch 3.0 firmware for benq drives. Obviously an Xbox 360 with a benq drive. This is benq, yeah, benq drive. And you're going to need SATA cable, a very long one, you know, so it can go into your PC. Now, as you can see, there's all my PC internals. Now I'm just going to go plug this in and we'll get started. So if you can give me 5 minutes, that'll be good. Ground myself out. Yeah, I'm going to put this camera down because it's a bit shaky to do it with one hand. So yeah, give me 5 minutes. So I said I would do this tutorial because, yeah. And okay, so we got that plugged in. So yeah, it's plugged in. Now what you're gonna want to do is to power this thing. Don't make sure you don't have an internet cable in because it will flag you for a ban. So yeah, or you can use the executor's tools to do this, which is recommended. So yeah, you got that. Then you're going to want an AV cable, your power cable, and obviously this cable here, because that's your power and this is your data. So yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. As you can see, I've just turned it on, and we're just going to, you know, it's on, powering up. So what you want to do is you go to your Jungle Flasher, open it up, then you're going to want to go to Jungle Flasher, we'll let that open up first because it takes the mic. So yeah, booting up Jungle Flasher right now. Okay, you'll get to this page here, so what you're going to want to do is move it up, yeah, like that, so you can see all this here. Then you want to go to MTK Flash 32 and you want to click, you want to find your IR port. So yeah, we got that. Now we're going to scroll down, phone COM ports, Windows 7 drives and whatnot. Okay, so when you're finding your IR port, you just want to click on every one. So SATA, position, master, DVD kit. Okay, once you've got all these here, not found and whatnot, what you want to do is you want to click benq unlock. So we get drive is benq, it's unlocking. So once it's done that, did find it, device ID, sending vendor intro, requesting device ID, nah, wasn't it, I don't think. Okay, so once you click benq unlock, it'll say device in vendor mode, intro and whatnot, you'll get all those giblets. Then you want to click read, so it's getting status. Reading banks, so you just gotta let it read the banks, obviously. Now remember that benq firmware, what you want to do is, now this is very clever because we stuck it on our desktop. We've stuck the firmware in a firmware folder, so we're just going to go to that, and there's the firmware folder. and there's the firmware Light Touch 3.0 bin for benq. So we're going to do that. Already exists. Do you want to replace it? No. So we're going to click cancel. benq firmware loaded to source buffer. Do you wish to auto load benq? So yeah, once you've saved your stock firmware, which is what I was doing there, you'll get this because it's in the firmware folder. We're going to click yes. Now you'll get this. Now what you're going to want to do is you'll get your DVD key there, get your source, target and whatnot, DVD key, and what we're going to do is we're going to spoof the source to target. So yeah, DVD key already matches, target is LT, order strings, copy, target serial, already done, DVD key already matches, target LT. Now what you want to do is you want to go to DVD 32, actually no, you want to go to MTK flash and you want to go to write. Now it's going to start writing it, sending chip to erase port, it's erasing your stock firmware and then writing the new Light Touch 3.0 firmware. So yeah, it's reading and writing the banks as you can see. Just gonna wait for this to be done. Flash verification test, reading bank. So yeah, it's rewritten the bank and now it's reading it for the verification. And it should say done. If I can move up. Yeah, so as you can see there, right verification okay. Now once you've done that, the last thing you're going to need to do is click Outro ATA, and there we go, it's done. That's it. That's literally how you flash an Xbox with a benq drive. It's as simple as that. So we're going to click, you can just exit out of this now, don't worry about this, just exit. Now I'm going to unplug this and show you that it's working, so I'm going to put the camera down again. Okay, so yeah, once you've got that done, just make sure to tuck your cable away if you like don't have a standard cable. So yeah, just gonna want to you get the idea. You're just gonna want to tuck it away. You know what? I'm just gonna pull that out. Just leave it like that. So as you can see now, we've got that hooked up. Yeah. Now to do this, I need a burnt game. Where is a burnt game? I've got a Black Ops, but like it doesn't work. I can't seem to find it. Oh, and by the way, this is the standard SATA cable. I kinda got bored and fucked it up. That's why I've got this long red one plugged in. So yeah, I need a okay. I don't have a burnt game, so we're just gonna test it with a regular game. It might just be in the drive. So yeah, we'll plug that in. You know what, I'm just going to end this here because this is taking the mickey and it will work. There are other tutorials on there if I didn't make this one pretty clear, so enjoy. And this is my tutorial on how to flash an Xbox to play backup games. This isn't a Xenon board, this is a Falcon board, so it's the 2nd gen Xbox. This one does actually have ROD, but it's a bit iffy, if you know what I mean. It sometimes works and it sometimes doesn't, but don't be alarmed if it gets ROD or anything like that. It's just my Xbox. So that's the tutorial. Yeah, Vampire Gaming out, and I'll see you guys later, and hopefully we'll have more Xbox stuff and maybe a Black Ops 2 vid, being as it's the free live weekend. I've also got some Doom if you guys want to see that, and yeah, I will also be going to be doing a case mod for this, so I'll show you guys that. I've already got like it planned out, and I can even show you guys some custom zombies. So shout out to Yoti Slayer for inspiring me, and if anyone knows of any Bioshock mods, please like say, because I'm looking to mod some Bioshock 1 on the PC. So yeah, that's it really. So bye.